sorry. So we've broken down about 6 categories that we think are really key to put together a well-rounded charcuterie board. Sweet, salty, pickled,
A fat, a meat, make sure you have a crunch.
yeah. So let's break those down. For the sweet, we really like to start implementing some fruit. Grapes are always an amazing idea. You can kind of pick them apart and tuck them into the little corners.
Yeah, and they're available all year round. We have some apples, oranges, you can do raisins, cranberries, whatever. Yeah, absolutely.
For salty, we like to have a nut of any kind. We've got cashews are our go-to.
We love our cashews and the gherkins too. We can't forget olives. We love olives for that pickled taste. So a little trick about olives is to make sure either pit in or pit out, not mixed. So you're not going to get one with a pit and one without, and that's kind of shocking for the guests. A really good fat is a cheese, so maybe mix it up, a soft cheese and then something a little bit more sharp. We've chosen some deli meat. You can do salami, chop that up.
Of course, if you're a vegetarian, you can leave the meat off. Charcuterie really does go way back to meat and cheese, so you want to make sure that those are implemented.
Definitely. Then when you're talking about crunch, we've got some really nice crunchy cheese sticks actually that we've been chomping on along the way. And we've got some crackers. You can do baguette, whatever gives it that little bit of a finished crunch.
Some veggies with hummus is always a great go-to. If you're a little heavy on the fats, you want to balance it out.
We're all about balance.
It's always about balance, right? When you're putting it all together, you can't really go wrong. Spread it all out and have fun with it.
We've chosen a beautiful board from our dear friend Olivia. She makes them handmade. Yeah, I love these. I've got 2 of them. I just love them.
So once you've put everything all together, kind of like place things wherever you feel. I like to put a little bit of green over here, right over there, but it's totally up to you. However you want to do it.
Make it messy.
Have fun with it.
We're going to top it off. We've put together some tomato and mozzarella chunks. And I'm just going to top it off with a little bit of a balsamic reduction.
Mom makes these all the time. I call them her famous little tomato mozzarella sticks.
Mozzarella balls.
They're so good. They're so good.
Here you have it.
Happy holidays, everyone.
Cheers.